Hey there, Giants. It's another great day for math. And today in our journals, we're taking notes and we will title this page Fraction Multiplication, right below in parentheses, using variables. Go ahead and put the date. I will pause the page, make sure we're all caught up. Okay, today we just have 3 notes to take. Our first note is, if you see a variable, find out what it equals. So let's write that. If you see a variable, I'll explain that and what that means in a minute. If you see a variable, find out what it equals. Variables are a lot of fun, and they're pretty easy to figure out. So I don't think you're going to get hung up on this at all, this lesson. Number 2, our second note. Replace the variable with its value. Replace the variable with its, no apostrophe here, with its value. Okay? And our third note, evaluate the expression or solve the equation. And that is it. So, evaluate the expression or solve the equation. And we have taken notes on solving multiplication, fraction multiplication. We already have our notes for that, so we're not going to list those here. Those are on a previous journal entry. Okay, so let's go ahead to our example side of the page. Oh, I have tickle my throat. You'll have to excuse me there. And let's go ahead and write this down. I'm going to skip a couple of lines. I'm going to come down 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's come down to this 5th line. And let's write this. I'm going to kind of write it big. I'm going to take 2 lines. I'm going to put the letter C. And this letter really, it could be any letter of the alphabet. It could be A, B, C. You could see D, X, Y, Z. It could be any letter of the alphabet. Okay, today we're going to use the letter C. And we're going to multiply that times my fraction of 4/5. Okay? And remember, multiplication is commutative. So you could see the 4/5 times C. The order doesn't matter. Alrighty? Now, when you see a variable, our step 1, if you see a variable, find out what it equals. Now, I'm telling you, they are going to have the value of this variable listed somewhere on the page, on the computer screen, somewhere. And what we're going to do, we're going to put it right here. And we're going to say C equals, okay, we'll do it this way, 2 halves. All right, C equals 2 halves. I'm not sure if I like the way that looks. Let me fix it like this. Let me go ahead and make this. You make it 2 spaces with me also. There we go. I like the way that looks better. C equals 2 halves. So you already know what this fractional one is, right? Because you are just that awesome. So what do you do? Step 2, replace the variable with its value. All right, so we are going to rewrite this expression, but instead of the letter C, we are going to put in, you got it, we're going to put in 2 halves. So let's skip a line, and instead of the letter C, let's put the value that we have for C. Now this looks a lot more like it. Now we can solve that. Yes, we can evaluate this expression. All right, so How about if we cross cancel? I'm noticing that 2 and 4 share a factor. And what is that factor? Yes, it is 2. So let's go ahead and cross cancel like we did the other day. And 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Let's go ahead and multiply straight across now. Awesome. 2 times 2 is 4. I'm going to come down here and put my answer. 1 times 5 is 5. And this is in simplest terms, isn't it? It's the simplest form. 4 and 5 are consecutive numbers, and so my fraction is in simplest form. Yay. So that's it, kiddos. That's how simple it is to multiply using variables. We see the variable, we find out where on the page that we are given the value of the variable. In this case, our variable is C. We want to know what C, the value of C is. C equals 2 halves. We go ahead and we swap out the letter for the value, and then we go ahead and evaluate or we solve the equation. Giants, it's going to be a great day in math. I'm so glad you are here.